Making ammonium sulfate crystals. We will perform a titration between ammonium solution and dilute sulfuric acid. We know that ammonium is a base, so we put it in the flask below with the indicator. And in the burette, we put the sulfuric acid. We will run the sulfuric acid and note how much acid is being used until reaching the end point. When the end point is reached, we look at the burette and read the volume of the acid used. Then we take it and put the acid and the base of the same volume for them to react and produce a salt, which is the ammonium sulfate, which we can see it in this equation. Ammonium plus sulfuric acid reacts to give ammonium sulfate salt. So how do we do crystallization for ammonium sulfate? First of all, we should know that it doesn't have water of crystallization, but you still would crystallize them slowly rather than evaporating them to dryness. That's why there's no need to evaporate it. There's no need to apply it to heat, evaporate it, and cool it. We can perform crystallization very slowly. We leave it aside for it to crystallize alone. Heating dry ammonium salts tend to break them up, so we won't obtain crystals. This is a very simple process to obtain ammonium sulfate crystals. In the equation, we don't have dot water, since it doesn't contain water of crystallization.